Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Virtually all types of meats can be roasted, including beef, pork, chicken, lamb, turkey, and duck. Roasting is a versatile cooking method that enhances the flavor through caramelization and Maillard reaction. For beef, prime cuts like rib roast or tenderloin are popular choices, while pork loin or shoulder are great for pork. Whole chickens or turkey are traditional favorites, especially for festive occasions. Lamb benefits immensely from roasting, with cuts like leg of lamb or rack of lamb being highly regarded. Experimenting with different seasonings and marinating times can bring out unique flavors in each meat type.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.